So this is the second in my video series where we're looking at the Trout gravel axe for Christmas. So there's my trout. It's been nicely cured. Took it out the fridge, washed it all off, dried it, put it on the wood slats ready for smoking. And there we've got the pastrami that I've tied and rolled. And if you look, we've got a little pipe at the top of my curing cupboard. So it's in my shed this, so that goes outside the shed. And my little cold smoker has got alder and beech. So it's going to work its way around, and that smoke's just going to lightly smoke my fish. And I'm going to close my door and let it build up in a minute. But we're just getting it going at the start, and then we blow the candle out. It does a really good job. It's just a gentle smoker. And like I said, I'm going to just close the door for a minute. I've got a little bit of wire here. That just keeps my cupboard shut. So there we go. So that is cold smoking at Christmas with an IKEA cupboard and a piece of trout, and a piece of pastrami that it will be.